Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to clear autofill data in your Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. So for this guys, I am going to show you a very easy and very simple method. So first, open the Google Chrome browser. After opening, on the top right side you can see three dots. Just click on it. From here you want to open the settings. In the settings, from the left panel you can get option autofill. Just click on it, and in the right panel you can get the option payment method. Just click on it, and here you can get the option to add or manage Google payment. You need to visit your Google account. You need to click on that Google account link, and here log in your Google account. After then you can get the option to remove the payment method to clear the autofill data on your Google Chrome browser. So one more thing you can do guys, just close this tab, and here in the settings page you can get the option in the payment method. You can get all details of your payment method which you have added to your Google Chrome browser. So I have not added any payment method, so that's why there was no payment method in my browser. If you have added, you can also remove any particular payment method from your Google Chrome browser. So this is a very easy and very simple video to clear the autofill data in your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.